Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So we saw a big downside, big selling, heavy selling on the chart of gold on Friday, and gold at last closed at 1643.92. This is the last traded price of gold. If you have watched my previous video on gold, then hopefully you took a sell position below 1650 and you made a good profit. So let's try to understand the important levels for Monday. So my dear friends, overall the chart is still bearish. Things have not changed. Bears, the sellers are still dominating the market. As a result, if you are looking for safe trading opportunities, if you are looking for a swing trading or positional trading options opportunities on the chart of gold, then you should simply follow the trend and you should be looking for selling opportunities only. On the other hand, if you're still holding any buy position on the chart gold, then my dear friend, please be careful. If the rally continues, if the selling continues on the chart, then please come out before your capital vanishes. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so let's try to understand the levels first. So after the market opening, if we find gold going up from here, if we see gold going up from here, then you can take a buy position, but it is very critical, especially during the first half of Monday. It is better to avoid the market and simply observe the market. Simply watch the market, observe the market and see. If you see the market is going up, okay, market is going up from the current market position, okay, in that case, if you want to take a risk, then that's your personal call. But otherwise I'll simply suggest everyone to avoid the market, because in this type of scenario, when you are seeing heavy sell, like Euro USD, GBP USD, okay, sell on rise is always the best trading strategy and the safest trading strategy. It means that whenever the market is going down, okay, you need to take a sell position at the top when market reverses, okay, because we all know it very well that no market in the world goes up in a straight line like this or fall in a straight line like this. Market always move in a zigzag pattern because of liquidity issues. Okay, so whenever the market will be going down in the zigzag pattern, you need to take a sell position at the top, and that is considered as the best trading strategy. So in this market condition also, sell on rise is the best trading strategy. After the market opening on Monday, if you see the market is going up from here, then your selling opportunity will come at 1656 to 1661. This is the selling opportunity or the first level. Then you need to watch out. Why we are considering this level? We are considering this level because previously this level acted as support. Here you can see this level acted as support, and right now there is a high chance that the same level will also act as resistance. Okay, support will be acting as resistance, and on the same level around 1658 1660 we also have Fibonacci retracement. So if we combine both the factors here, previous support acting as resistance and Fibonacci, there is a high chance, high possibility that market will be facing selling pressure around this level. Okay, and if you see the market is unable to cross this particular level, market is forming bearish pin bar, bearish engulfing pattern, then you get a confirmation that yes, the selling pressure is there, sellers are present around this level, and you can definitely go for a sell position. 1656 to 1661, this is your seller's territory on the market. Before that also we have got some levels around 1650 1651, but personally I will simply suggest each and every one of you to avoid trading in the middle. After all, it's your hard-earned money, so it's your responsibility to protect it, isn't it? And as I always say, trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So do not be a gambler, be a trader always. Okay, so this is the scenario where you can take a sell position. where you can take a sell position if market goes up, because sell on rise is the best trading strategy in this type of market. Secondly, if market fails to go up, if you see that buyers are struggling, sellers are dominating on Monday as well, in that case, if you see market slipping, or going below 1639 level, if market cracks or breaks the 1639 level, and if you see further downside on the chart of gold, then you can also take a sell position. But keep in mind, especially during the first half of Monday, okay, the volatility is sometimes less, sometimes it is extreme, okay, because of liquidity problem, because the liquidity is very less, okay, during the first half of Monday. So please be careful, follow strict risk management. Okay, and as we all know, DXY, US dollar is flying. US dollar DXY is standing at 113. Almost all the currencies around the world are crying right now. Look at the chart of euro, look at the chart of British pound. Okay, you will see that almost all the currencies are around the world are in tension right now because of the flying US dollar. And if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that right now we do not have any resistance on the chart of DXY. The next big resistance on the chart of DXY is around 120. And right now it looks like that DXY is heading towards 120 only. So we don't know what will happen to DXY, but right now DXY is bullish, so everything on the market is under pressure right now, and you should be following the direction, and you should plan your trades accordingly. If you're standing against the trend of the market right now, keep in mind that you are playing with your hard-earned money, and don't do that. Okay, so hopefully you got the idea. So this is a simple strategy right now that we can follow on the chart of gold. Things are not very positive right now, so please be careful. And as I always say, follow strict risk management. Do not be too confident on your analysis. Never forget that this is the market. Okay, so as a trader, we should always be ready for the loss. Okay, so plan your trades accordingly and do the maths. Hopefully you got the idea. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday again.